Riverside camping at Chenderiang. Last minute decided to stop by. Off-road path. Finally, we are here. Heading to our campsite eat, right in front of beautiful river. Very well organized and clean campsite. Helpful staff too. Suddenly, started to rain before we managed to set up our tent. Soaked in rain, strong river flow, have to climb up the tree under there. Rain to tie our rope, but it's nice to be under the rain surrounded by nature. Finally managed to set up our home for the night. Rain continues till morning, didn't manage to visit the waterfall. Beautiful sound of nature in the dark. Feeling hungry, started cooking. For our dinner, hot pot. Hot coffee under the rain before we call it a night. Finally stopped raining, beautiful morning view. Many fishes in the river. Sunray view by the river. Crystal clear water for river bath. Having our brunch by the river. Having cold river bath before we take down our camp. Finally heading home. We'll definitely come back again. Beautiful sunset view.